Hi kids, remember me? Captain Kindheart. Do you know what we are learning today? Can you guess, kids? Today we are learning about the farm animals in Farmer Billy Farm.
Let's learn some fun facts about cows. Cows have best friends. Cows form close friendships and love spending time with their favorite buddies, milk machines. Cows provide a lot of milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, and yogurt. 4 part. Stomach. Cows have a unique stomach with different sections to help them digest grass properly. Super sniffers. Cows have an amazing sense of smell and can detect scents from really far away. Here are some fun and simple pig facts. Super smart pigs. Pigs are very intelligent and can learn tricks, just like dogs. Mud lovers. Pigs roll in the mud to stay cool because they don't sweat like humans do. Amazing noses. Pigs have a great sense of smell and use their snouts to find food underground. Talkative oinkers. Pigs make different sounds to talk to each other, like grunts, squeals, and oinks. Fast runners. Even though they look round, pigs can run very quickly when they need to. Super clean. Pigs like to keep their living spaces tidy and don't like to sleep where they go to the bathroom. Loving families. Pig moms take great care of their babies and talk to them with special grunts. Super smart chickens. Chickens can recognize over 100 different faces, including people and other animals. Exciting layers. Hens lay eggs in cozy nests and sometimes even sing a little song after laying one. Amazing eyesight. Chickens can see more colors than humans, including ultraviolet light. Talkative birds. Chickens have over 30 different sounds to communicate, from clucks to purrs. Speedy runners. Chickens can run surprisingly fast and even flap their wings to jump high. Loving moms. Mother hens keep their chicks warm under their wings and talk to them before they hatch. Dreamy sleepers. Chickens experience dreams, just like humans do when they sleep. Super smart sheep. Sheep can recognize faces of people and other sheep, and they remember them for a long time. Grass munchers. Sheep spend most of their day eating grass, using their special teeth to nibble close to the ground. Amazing eyes. Sheep have wide, side-set eyes that help them see almost all around without turning their heads. Baa talk. Sheep make different baa sounds to talk to each other and their shepherds. Woolly coats. Sheep grow thick, fluffy wool, which is used to make warm clothes and blankets. Fast and agile. Even though they look soft and fluffy, sheep can run fast and even jump over obstacles. Loving moms. Mother sheep, called ewes, recognize their lambs by their unique smell and voice. Super smart horses. Horses can remember people and places for a very long time, even years later. Listening ears. A horse's ears can turn in different directions to listen for sounds all around them. Colorful coats. Horses come in many colors, like brown, black, white, and even spotted patterns. Fast runners. Horses are born to run and can gallop at high speeds when they need to. Talk without words. Horses use their ears, tails, and noses to communicate how they feel. Standing sleepers. Horses can sleep standing up, but they also like to lie down for deep sleep. Loyal friends. Horses form strong bonds with their owners and can recognize their voices,